Number 1. 1980 NUPS Ford F-250 Lariat, $8,500, Kelso, Washington. This 1986 Ford F-250 is an excellent survivor, showing only 52,000 original miles. Equipped with a robust 460 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and air conditioning, it represents Ford's heavy-duty truck era. The brown paint, clean title, and like new tires add confidence for collectors seeking originality. Its new carburetor and well-preserved condition make it a practical workhorse or a worthy candidate for a preservation-class show truck. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet Shortbox Stepside, $16,999, Helena, Montana. This 1981 Chevrolet Stepside offers the iconic square body look with a performance 350 V8 and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 17,705 miles, though it has rolled over. It has been meticulously maintained with receipts, recent carburetor rebuild, new radiator, and a new battery. Stylish touches include Craigslist SS wheels, dual exhaust, and a detailed engine bay. The custom paint, wood bed, and modern stereo add appeal. At nearly $17,000, this is a well-documented and collectible square-body pickup. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet C20, $6,000, Winslow, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet C20 long bed is a reliable driver, offered at a very reasonable price. It features a rebuilt 350 V8, automatic transmission, working air conditioning, and dual exhaust. The truck has newer suspension components, seals, and interior finishes, making it a solid daily driver. While the odometer is broken, its long-term ownership and general upkeep suggest reliability. For collectors, it represents a solid foundation for restoration without breaking the bank. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne 4x4, $23,500, San Antonio, Texas. This 1971 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne is a highly desirable short bed 4x4. With its 350 V8 and 3-speed automatic, it captures the rugged charm of early 1970s Chevy trucks. The green paint with white houndstooth interior is period perfect, complemented by sound-deadening upgrades. Its clean title and well-preserved condition make it a strong candidate for collectors seeking both drivability and show-quality presentation. Number 5. 1965 Ford Ranchero, $15,500, Reno, Nevada. This 1965 Ford Ranchero blends car-like handling with pickup practicality. Restored to driver quality, it features a 250 cubic inch straight 6 with 4-speed manual transmission and disc brakes on all 4 wheels. Rebuilt suspension and steering enhance road manners. While not Concours level, its custom paint and mechanical upgrades make it a unique collectible for enthusiasts of Ford's car-truck hybrids. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado Shortbed, $24,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1982 Chevrolet Silverado has undergone a comprehensive restoration. It features a rebuilt 350 V8, rebuilt 700R automatic, new dual exhaust, cold air conditioning, and complete new interior. The custom candy green paint highlights its show truck quality. Lowered stance, new 20-inch wheels, and flawless trim make it a standout among square body enthusiasts. At $24,500, it represents the upper tier of restored short bed trucks. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super C20, $22,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The first year of Chevrolet's square body design, this 1973 Cheyenne Super is powered by an upgraded 454 V8 with 500 horsepower and TH400 transmission. Recently restored with new paint, rebuilt drivetrain, and modern ignition components, it blends originality with performance. Its rarity as a 454-equipped Super C20 makes it highly collectible, especially in this condition. Number 8. 1955 Ford C600 COE, $24,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1955 Ford C600 cab-over engine truck has been completely restored into a custom flatbed with hardwood racks. Powered by a Ford 351 Windsor and automatic transmission, it adds modern usability to its vintage appearance. Electronic ignition, power steering, and brakes improve drivability. Rarely seen restored to this level, it is a striking collectible with both commercial and show potential. Number 9. 1957 International Harvester S120 4x4, $24,500, Pollok, Texas. A highly rare and optioned 1957 International Harvester S120, this 4x4 shortbed retains its black diamond 240 inline-6 with 4-speed manual and PTO winch. Features like factory power steering, factory power brakes, dual fuel tanks, and cold air conditioning make it exceptional for its era. Restored in 2005, it still presents well, needing only minor cosmetic refresh. For collectors of unusual classics, this truck stands out as a gem. Number 10. 1966 Ford F100 Shortbed, $15,250, Capitola, California. This 1966 Ford F100 features a rebuilt 300 inline-6 paired with a modern 5-speed transmission. Power steering, front disc brakes, and new tires improve usability. The vintage camper shell and rack add period flair. Professionally restored and in excellent condition, this truck offers both classic styling and modern reliability at a fair price. Number 11. 1966 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $18,500, Surprise, Arizona. A family-owned classic, this 1966 Ford F100 Custom Cab has been garage kept and restored since 2005. Powered by its original 289 V8 small block and automatic transmission, it remains highly original. The California history and rust-free body make it particularly desirable. For enthusiasts seeking authenticity, this truck represents an excellent opportunity. Number 12. 1960 Ford F100, $16,000, Madera, California. This 1960 Ford F100 pickup runs strong with its 292 V8 and 3-speed column shift transmission. The custom paint and clean title enhance its appeal. While not extensively restored, it is in good condition and ready to enjoy. For collectors of early 1960s Ford trucks, this example offers both drivability and originality. Number 13, 1990 Dodge Ram 50, Mighty Max, $750, Santa Rosa, California. A budget project, this 1990 Dodge Ram 50 based on the Mitsubishi Mighty Max has a good engine but a failed transmission. With 200,000 miles, it is not a collector-grade truck, but could serve as a donor or an entry-level project. At $750, it appeals to hobbyists seeking a rare compact pickup with potential. Number 14, 1986 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox, $17,000, Bellevue, Nebraska. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed has been customized with a built 454 big block, turbo 400 transmission, and 3.73 Posi rear end. The black paint, pinstriping, and dual exhaust give it muscle truck appeal. Despite a salvage title and minor functional issues, it remains a strong-performing and rust-free classic. Enthusiasts seeking a street-ready custom truck will appreciate its bold character. Number 15, 1980 Ford F-150 SuperCab XL, $17,500, Chula Vista, California. A one-family truck, this 1980 Ford F-150 SuperCab has been well-kept and lightly modernized. The inline-six with 3-speed manual and overdrive delivers reliability, while upgrades like custom iron bumpers, LED lighting, and a backup camera add practicality. The white and gold respray with ceramic coating enhances its presentation. It balances originality with tasteful modern touches, making it appealing to both collectors and drivers. Number 16, 1981 GMC C1500 Sierra Classic, $19,000, Boise, Idaho. An exceptional survivor, this 1981 GMC Sierra Classic shows only 36,369 original miles. With zero rust, original small block V8, and turbo 350 automatic, it runs like new. Featuring nearly all options except power windows, it represents the pinnacle of early 1980s GMC pickups. Collectors seeking originality and low mileage will find this truck highly desirable. Number 17, 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside, stolen, reward $10,000, Tacoma, Washington. Unfortunately, this 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside has been reported stolen. Finished in excellent condition with an automatic V8 setup, it represents a highly collectible truck. The owner is offering a $10,000 reward for recovery. Its rarity and historical significance underscore the importance of its safe return to rightful ownership.